Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, welcome din sa another chapter ng ating college journey because I'm already in my second year of college. Anyways, for today's vlog, I'm just gonna prepare for the upcoming school year by doing a school supply shopping and grocery shopping. But before that, kailangan ko munang ayusin yung mga damit ko na galing sa province para wala na akong iisipin after kung mag-grocery. Again, let's do a quick haul. Let's start with the most essential thing kapag college ka is yung yellow pad paper. I bought the 1/2 and 1/4 kasi minsan meron kaming mga activities or quizzes, especially na 1/4 lang yung nire-require or 1/2. And then, yung 1 whole naman na yellow pad, hindi na ako bumili kasi meron pa akong stock from last year. And then, the next essential thing in your backpack is your binder. So, kapag college ka na, hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming notebooks, like yung mga separate notebooks. Ngayon, you just need a one notebook that has mini refillers, I don't know, pero ayan, katulad nitong OG Sterling note na binder. So, yung mga old college students, ito yung ginagamit nila. Kasi ngayon, I think yung mostly ginagamit ng mga students is yung clear. And, ayan, I decided to get this one na lang kasi yun, parang kailangan pa bumili ng dividers. This one, it has 9 na fillers notebook. By the way, I got this in color maroon and mukha siyang brown sa video kasi I don't know why. Iba-iba yung quality or color sa video. Pero, ayan, it's in maroon and it's, I think, my new favorite color. Kasi yung wallet ko, it's red and almost close to maroon. So, ayan, this one is maroon and wala lang, sobrang cute. Okay, next is the index cards. So, alam niyo na yon na kapag kailangan niyo ng index card sa mga prof, it means they will let you write your name and then your 1-by-1 picture, and you will sometimes use it as a flashcard for your recitation na kapag naburot ka, sis, kabahan ka na kasi ikaw na sasagot. Nag-buy lang ako kasi minsan, ginagamit ko siya as a reviewer, like yung flashcards, you know, for reviewing things faster kasi minsan dito ko na lang yung notes para madali ko siyang madala if on the go ako, ganun, mag-review at ay ako ng notebook. Next is itong tab. So, di naman siya literally kailangan, but it's like very useful sa aking binder kasi since, ayan, hindi mo makita kung ano yung subject na kailangan mong puntahan, like gamitin, I can use these tabs to stick it in this side para alam kong, para madali kong ma-open yung notebook sa specific subject na gusto kong sulatan or aralin. kung mag-aaral. Sure. So, ayan. Another essential, which is sticky note. And this sticky note is very important kasi hindi... So, hindi lang naman siya important para sa ating pag-notes sa notebook. Like, I can stick it in the notebook. I can use this also as a reminder. Like, ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking corkboard and dun ko siya madalas ginagamit. Like, last year, ayun, yun yung ginagawa ko. Naglalagay ako ng reminders here. Like, yung tasks, yung mga to-do list, everything. Ayan, and then I'll just pick it in the corkboard so that I will be reminded every day. Sabi na sabi. Another one na, I don't know if essential siya, but for me, medyo essential na siya kasi, ayan, this one is a paper, what do you call this? Plastic envelope. And dito ko ilalagay yung mga yellow pad, 1/4 yellow pad, and other papers para hindi siya mayupi kasi medyo sturdy. Medyo ano siya, medyo hindi siya nabebend. So, medyo safe siya lagyan ng mga paper. Ayan, I recommend using this too para hindi ka na maglalagay sa mga folders na malalaki and medyo magiging masikip sa bag. So, this one is enough na. Okay, last thing na nabili ko sa SM or sa dep store is yung mga ball pens. This one, yung hindi pwede mong mawala. Like, kapag wala ka nito, paano ka makapagsulat? So, as you can see, I bought 4 different colors. So, I have green for checking or other things na kailangan ng green pens. And then blue, ayan, for, ayan, kaartehan, if kailangan ko ng change color sa pagsusulat ng notes. And then red for checking too. So, yung green at red, pwede ko siya magamit for both checking. And then, itong black, ayan, it's different brand. Hindi siya sa My Gel, like yung nabili ko sa tatlo. I use this para maiba naman. So, it's from Delhi. So, ayun guys, yun lang. As you can see, sobrang konti lang talaga ng school supplies na binili ko. Kasi kapag college ka na, hindi mo na kasi talaga kailangan ng maraming school supplies. Like, okay na rin yung kahit yung ballpen at saka yellow pad lang. Makasurvive ka na school year na yun. Pero if gusto mo ng something or mga ibang bagay para mas maging organized and mas maging productive yung school year mo, pwede ka bumili ng ibang pinakita ko sa inyo. So, ayun lang.